Hello, hello. I know y'all done already seen it. Y'all probably like, girl, get to it, right? It is time for another little tote box. Y'all, this is my third little tote box. What? Y'all see how fast they do it. Like, they don't take... Like, I took my box and put it in the... I took the box... I took the clothes from last time and took it to the post office on Wednesday. And today is Saturday and I have another little tote box. That's just how fast they do it. Because as soon as, I guess, the post office actually scans that barcode, they send me an email. And I mean, the package is still in Houston. And they'll send me an email and say, hey, your package is on its way. You have 48 hours to choose your little tote box. And so... they give me 48 hours, and then from that point on, they ship it. So, yeah, so it's Saturday. And this time, they included my little thing here. It says, hi, Karen, and all this kind of stuff. So, let's dig in. Let's dig in. So, of course, this is how it comes packaged. If you are not familiar with Le Tote, they have it all nice and wrapped, nice and tight. And it says, look great, feel fabulous. So, again, though, I'm going to say this. I have a stylist, but I have never been happy with what the stylists have given me. I'm just going to be honest with you. I've never been happy with it because I always switch things out. The only thing I did switch out of this one was the accessories that the stylist did. I actually kind of like those. So let's just jump right in. Okay, this is a dress, and the name brand is Ava, A-V-A, and it is, suck out. It's a wrap dress, and it's so cute. Y'all, I actually think I adjusted the size. I told him to give me a medium instead of an extra large. So we're going to have to see how this is going to fit. If not, you know, a girl is good for wearing a cami right here if this sucker ain't going to close all the way. You know, so I don't have the smallest waist, but it's so cute. Like I said, it's a wrap dress. I'm trying to pull it up here so you guys can kind of get the gist of it. But isn't this cute? That is so cute. And I think it's going to hit in the right spot and everything. So yeah, that's one piece that we got there. And then I asked for another dress, which I don't know. I thought this was going to be, I don't know about this. I thought it was going to be more of I didn't know it was going to be, this is more like a t-shirt fabric. But it's also like kind of like a faux wrap dress, you know. It just has that style of a wrap dress. But I mean, it's cute. Don't get me wrong, it's cute. But it's t-shirt material, so I'm gonna have to iron this or put it in the dryer or something, because you know, sister can't be wearing all these wrinkles like this. But this is, it's more of a blue jean denim color, but it's actually t-shirt fabric. You can see how thin it is. You can see through me. You can see through it to me. So. Proper undergarments for show, honey, it's got to be under this. But I think it's cute. The brand name is Summer and Sage, and this is actually in an extra large, which it might be too big, but maybe it'll be big enough where it's like forgiving, and it, you know, maybe, I don't know, you know, it won't be, because with this being t-shirt fabric, you don't need this. I don't need all this clinging. I don't need all that clinging. Okay, and then I actually got a skirt this time. This is my first time and I like it. Oh my God, do I like this skirt. Why does it, no, I think it'll fit perfectly. Oh, what brand is this? This is also Ava, the same brand of the dress. Isn't this cute? So this is the position of it. And then there's a zipper right here on the side, but I don't think I'm gonna need to unzip it. But isn't this cute? Pleated, like, you know what, y'all? Ever since I was a little girl, I love me some pleats. Love, love, love. But this would be cute with like a white t-shirt and maybe a cardigan or something like that. This would be really, really cute. And a pair of flats. You don't even need to have heels. You can have a pair of flats with this. So I think this will be really cute. Yes. I like it. Do you guys like this? It's red. It's like burgundy red, blue, and white. It's cute. I like it. I love a pleat skirt. When I was a little girl and my mom would put me in a pleated dress, I used to just twirl in the living room when it was time to go to church. Y'all just twirl, twirl, twirl until it was time to go. Okay, so the accessories this time is a bracelet. It's just silver. Nothing really special about it. But it's a cuff. You know, you just slip it on. let's see. Let's take it out so you guys can see it. But I like to do the unboxing in front of you guys. But this is cute. It's just like a little cuff here, if I can get it on. And if this bracelet would just behave. But look at that. That's kind of cute, right? That's cute. I like it. And then this necklace, which I don't even think I've ever... Yes, I did. The last time I think I got a necklace, right? I think I did. This one is kind of cute. I love... Look at that. This would have been cute with what I'm wearing today. With the stars on it. Isn't that cute? The cascading stars. I like it. Like, I would actually take this off and put this on with it. Because of the gold and the little faux diamonds or whatever. But yes, so this is another Le Tote box unboxing. Here I can kind of read you some more information on it. So the Ava pleated skirt is $58. So you guys can see me. The Ava pleated skirt is $58. The Ava wrap dress, that's the one with the turquoise and the white and all that. That one's $58. The Summer Sage twist knot dress, $58. Everything's $58. And then the layered station cuff, the bracelet that I have on, $13. And then the star necklace, the listed price is $18. So if I wanted to get this entire tote, it would be $205 for the entire tote. That's not gonna happen. But I wouldn't mind maybe keeping the jewelry. I might keep the jewelry. I like maybe the chain I might keep. I don't know. I mean, it's cute, and it'll go with anything, and it's $18. I mean, it's less than 20 bucks, so hey, why not, right? So yeah, that was it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this Le Tote box unboxing. I did, and stay tuned.